Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Y'all, I'm really excited to deep clean because growing up at my parents' house on a Saturday morning, we clean as a family. Deep cleaning is very essential to my life because I'm a firm believer of cleanliness is next to godliness. I hope you all enjoy the video and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to love what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When I don't have the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. Motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me
Okay, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I'm the person who love bottles, and I didn't plan on throwing away my empty bottles, but Christmas time coming, holidays coming, so perfume is the only thing I ask for around the holidays. So of course I'm gonna get more, so it's time to throw them away, and I hate throwing away bottles. So this was the LaShae doll. Y'all, when I say this was my go-to scent, smells so good. And then this one not empty, it still have a little more in there. We're gonna put that one back up there. Marc Jacobs, they got a little bit in it. I know y'all saying, girl, it's a little bit, but that little bit go a long way. Stop playing with it. YSL got a little bit. We're gonna keep that one. This one got a little bit too. My Burberry, should we keep that or should we trash it? We gonna keep that. We gonna get them little scents up out of there. Dior got a little bit. Givenchy, a little bit. Prada. It's like about 2 more squirts out of that one. Chanel Chance. Y'all see that? She got a little bit. So I gotta get my perfumes back. So I did take Jimmy Choo out the box. YSL, this one out the box. Let's put these back up here. When y'all cleaning, make sure y'all check the edges. Cause look at these, baby. Why is so much juice? Look at this. Make sure you get all it.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony.
You can be my
y'all, so I am washing my shower curtain. I am gonna replace the shower lining because it was mildew.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Well, baby, I've been around the world. I see myself in another girl. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands.
Okay, y'all, so I did take the curtain down and wash it. I didn't show me putting it back up, but as you can see, it is now clean. Check it out. I washed the rugs as well. I didn't show that part. Everything is nice and clean, very much clean. Yeah, toilet, if you don't clean that part, baby, what you doing? What you doing? Everything is pretty much sparkling, germ free, clean. I have to buy some napkins. I'm gonna go to the store and buy some of them, but for the most part, that is it. Okay, y'all, so I didn't do this on camera because I felt like it was gonna take so long, but I finally cleaned my closet. Like, look at this. Stop playing. I actually color coordinated. We got my blacks, my grays, my browns, my tans, my white, my pinks, my, why is this, wait, okay, this needs to be over here. Hold on. Is that better, y'all? Comment down below. Comment down below where that one should be, or should it be right there? So yeah, my reds, blues, all that. Yeah, very clean, very organized, very demure. Yeah, stop playing. Even the purses, very, very clean. My scarf's in there, but yeah.